Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to Acharya Coding School. In this video, we will try to understand how to take input from a user in Python. So simple. This is you. Sorry, guys, I couldn't get girl emoji here. I got a boys. So just feel like it is you only, and you want to enter some input to your computer with the help of Python language. How are you going to do? Simply what you will be doing here, you will be creating one variable called X or any variable, and you will use one inbuilt function called input. Okay. And here you can give prompt. What are you expecting? For example, I'm expecting age of a user. So enter your age. Simple as it is. And what if you want to use this, you can use it. So let's go to the VS Code and try to understand it, how to do it. Simple thing, X is equal to input, and here enter your age. That's it. And what, run the code, and it will be asking you to enter the age in output screen. So here, see, enter your age. I enter my age, and see guys, it has been taken.